GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar, right? So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, do all of that, and below the video you'll find all these links. If you want my swing setups for intraday, click on the first link and join the membership, and check out the brokers here and join free Telegram. It's free. Subscribe, like, share. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is a running candle, so we will skip that. Coming back to daily time frame, yesterday I told you if we close above this last previous swing high, which we are probably going to do maybe today, okay? So we have to wait, but looks like we are going to continue the bullish trend, and this line is crucial. So all these previous highs needs to be broken, okay? We still have 5 hours to go when I'm recording the video on 20th. So if you go and watch my Euro USD video, if you know what is happening with Euro USD, GBP USD will follow. Okay, so go and watch my Euro USD if you have not seen it. If you have not seen it already, so looks like we will continue the bullish momentum. Coming back to 4 hour here again. Wait for the pullback. Okay, this is your where is my fib level right here? Okay, this is your exhaustion. Okay, pullback will happen. Pullback has to happen. 4 hour is confirming the breakout, but pullback has to happen. Then only we go long. So pullback will be only maybe 38%. Okay, so we'll get the rejection from the EMA and then bullish candle, and then we'll continue going long. So look for longs in GBP USD. That's all. And if you want precise entry and exit signals, then check out the first link below. Subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next. Till then, take care.